Hello, my friends, your buddy Phil here, project management trainer and coach. I hear some of you are struggling with control charts. So let me make it perfectly clear. Control charts is not a big, huge ticket item on the exam. You know what the big, huge ticket items are? Agile manifesto, agile thinking, things like that. Now, that is not to diminish the importance of control charts. They are very important as far as their use in industry. But there's so much to talk about that I would like to direct you in the right vein. What you need to understand is the control chart is a typographical image that shows how a process changes over time. You could say it's a kind of diagram that shows how predictable the performance of a process is over time. Your control chart, if you go to this link right here, tinyurl.com/cchart77, what you realize from this video, and it's a bit of a long video, but I go through everything. There's really nothing that I didn't cover in this video. But again, this video is too much for the current exam. You see, I go into how the data is gleaned. So that's data from a job batch. Those are widgets of different sizes. And what we do is we plot the sizes. We want to understand the sizes. Now, when we plot the sizes of the widgets, how accurate they are and all that stuff is going to come to light. And then by the time we're done, we're going to find if this process is in control or out of control. And the way we do that is by finding, first of all, the mean. And then from the mean, we find the standard deviation. And from the standard deviation, this is all stuff you don't need to worry about, by the way. We then find the upper control limit and the lower control limit. We find all this data, all of this information, as you can see in this video, and then we plot. And there you have it. And when you plot, you can see those points that are in control and those that are out of control. That's the summary. I really don't want you sweating over this because it's not very appropriate as far as the level of visibility on the exam and how much time you would put into watching this video. Look, it's so long. I don't even recommend watching this video at just ×1. I would say watch it at ×2. But the bottom line is if you open up the essentials book, it covers everything you need to know. The different places here, the upper specification limit, the lower specification limit, these are determined by the customer. Then we have the lower control limit and the upper control limit, and these are statistically determined. I talk about it in this video, but let me help by guiding your focus. What you need to know about the control chart is it shows if a process is stable or not. Refer to the book and you'll see I call out certain aspects of the control chart. There's the rule of 7. If you have 7, and I show it here as well, if you have 7 non-random data points above or below the mean, like there or there, we say that the process is out of control. If you have points outside of the upper control limit or the lower control limit, we say they're out of control as well. But this stuff isn't tested to this degree anymore on the exam. What you do need to know is this shows if you're in control or not, have the rule of 7, you have data points that are outside the UCL and LCL, and that's it. I wouldn't go beyond that. Okay, so if you want to know more, watch the video. There's a hot link to the video, tinyurl.com/cchart77. Honestly, for your current exam, this is overkill. All right, so let me help direct you in the right vein so that you spend your time wisely. I hope this helps clear some things up. Also in the PMBOK guide, 6th edition, you have the definition of what the control chart is. It shows, are we in control? Is this process in control or is it unstable? That's all you need. All right, talk to you later.